I am going to be talking about the advantages of using Heppa vacuums within your cleaning company. Now, Heppa vacuums can be used in both residential and commercial spaces. I'm also going to be linking down below in the description links to my Amazon storefront where you can find each and every one of the vacuums shown in this video in regards to actually purchasing these vacuums. Now, I know that they are a couple of $100s a piece and they are a large investment, especially for those solo cleaners or those just starting out in the business. Now, I want to talk about Amazon business accounts, which you guys should absolutely sign up for. Again, I'll put a link in the description of this video. And I also want to mention opening an Amazon business credit card. Amazon business credit cards are going to be beneficial to your business because you can make payments on your vacuums. Now, I only suggest using this for investments using these credit cards so that you're guaranteed to make the money back. Meaning, yes, this vacuum is going to cost you a couple of $100s depending on the model you choose. However, you are going to save time and money and you will see the return on that vacuum, just saving time and money in actual labor costs.
Using a Heppa backpack vacuum over a broom offers several advantages that make it the better choice in various cleaning scenarios. Here are 5 key reasons why a Heppa backpack vacuum is superior to a broom. Number 1 is superior filtration. Heppa backpack vacuums capture 99.97% of tiny particles, improving indoor air quality. Thorough cleaning. Powerful suction removes dirt and debris effectively from all surfaces. Efficiency. Faster cleaning, reaching tight spots and reducing strain on the user. Versatility. Suitable for floors, furniture, and hard-to-reach areas with various attachments. And of course, allergy friendly. Ideal for allergy sufferers due to advanced filtration capabilities. Overall, using a Heppa backpack vacuum is more efficient and effective than using a broom and dustpan within your cleaning business, whether you do commercial, residential, or a combination of both. These backpack vacuums are also really awesome when it comes to post-construction cleaning.
Hey cleaning family, if you guys are enjoying this educational video and want to learn how to start your very own cleaning company, be sure to check out my cleaning courses. I have a number of different courses for all different sectors within the cleaning industry. I'll be sure to leave a link below in this video. I wanted to show you guys some of the pieces, tools, and equipment that come in the box with these vacuums. Number 1, I want to discuss the power cable. Now, each of the vacuums are going to come with a 25-foot, I believe this is 25-foot power cable. Now, if at any point you find yourself having to order a brand new one, if, over time they start to short out, or if, you end up exposing the wires somehow, please be sure to order this from the manufacturer. And I'm only saying that based on my personal experience because I have ordered a number of replacement wires on Amazon and even in Home Depot that happen to be the same gauge, same color, and they don't work as effectively or they end up shorting out during a clean. So again, these are the extension cables that come with each of the vacuums. If you guys need any more of these, I will put a link down below to the actual Pro Team store. But again, I wouldn't order any replacements off of Amazon or at Home Depot unless you're in a tight situation and only need it for a short time being. All right, so we're gonna move on to these other 2 upholstery pieces that come in the boxes. Now, this upholstery piece and this upholstery piece we pack for every single clean, whether it's a deep cleaning, a commercial cleaning, or a post-construction cleaning. Now, this little plastic hard piece one, this is really great for upholstery. We use these on sofas, on couches, and they do a really great job picking up pet hair. Now, this brush that has the soft bristles on it, we actually use these mainly in post-construction cleaning. Before we actually do any of the wet wiping, we will vacuum all of the surfaces using this piece to get all of that post-construction dust up. And then we'll go into wet wipe. So this is always very useful to pack with you at every clean as well. Now this is another tool that comes in the box. These are really good to pack, although we don't bring them on every single clean. These will help you get into the tough corners. So if you have like the side of a refrigerator or an oven that you need to get to, this is very helpful. You can also put this on the end of the telescopic pole and try to reach those corners, you know, in a commercial or a residential space. Now, depending on what package you buy or vacuum, you are going to have or see two different types of poles. Now, the very first pole that we have that I'm going to show you is a telescopic pole. Now, these actually happen to be my favorite pole for the Heppa vacuums, and I'll just give you my opinion why. Now, number one, this is telescopic. That's what they call it because it goes in and out like a telescope, so you can adjust to the perfect height for you or your cleaning technicians, right? Now, on the bottom of this pole is going to be the piece that you're going to be using. So now this comes with two separate pieces for this package, right? So we have the one head that has these bristles. I don't know if you can see. And this is actually used when cleaning hard surface floors. The reason why the bristles are here are so that you avoid damaging any hard surface floors, whether they're real wood or not. This is going to provide a barrier in between the plastic and the floor that you're cleaning so that you don't scratch it. And this is actually the piece that you should be using on carpets. Now, I'm not gonna lie, we do happen to use this on hard surface floors such as tile or marble, just never really any wood because we have scratched floors using this piece in homes. Commercial accounts, this is totally fine to use on as long as, again, the floors are not made of real wood. So this easily connects here. This is going to be the piece that connects to the floor part. This is actually going to connect to the tube, and I'll show you that later on in the video. So what you want to do is just put the bottom piece on and tighten it, right? So now we're locked in and this is on. If you want to take it off, you unscrew it in the opposite direction, and then you can go ahead and interchange the heads. Now this brings us to the second different type of pole. Now this is my least favorite, and if you want to argue with me, we can do it in the comments. Now the reason being, I bought the package knowing that it didn't come with a telescopic pole. I still did it, and I thought that, hey, maybe I'd like it, right? But I freaking hate it. That's just my own opinion, and mainly it's because of how it's shaped. Now this is shaped more for commercial accounts so that you can kind of get in and like cover more flooring, but I don't like the fact that you can't really get into the corners with this thing, right? Because look at how it is shaped. Like this can't, you know, maneuver as well as the other piece that I was showing you guys. So again, be wary of the type of pole that you're purchasing. Now, I'm not saying this is terrible, but it just doesn't do everything that I need it to. And that is why I prefer the telescopic pole over this one that just happens to, you know, click in, and you can't really adjust the height too much on. Also, as I mentioned, you can't really get into the corners. Now, this type of pole actually does have an interchangeable head. As I mentioned, you would use this hard purple one for carpets. Now that I've showed you all the features and the differences between the three different size Heppa vacuums that I purchased for my company from ProTeam, I'm going to give you my honest opinion on which one is my favorite. Now, the 10-quart vac pack was my very first vac pack that I bought, and I didn't know there were any other sizes. For me personally, the 10-quart is just too heavy and big, whether you're a male or female. That's just my opinion, as I've had male and females employees in my business. My very second purchase was the 6-quart vac pack, which is 4 quarts smaller, and I'll be sure to put a comparison photo side by side of all three. And to be 100% honest with you, it's my favorite. Now, I did buy the 3-quart Heppa vac pack from Pro Team just because I wanted to experience what it would be like to clean with one. And to be honest, I wanted a new one to keep in my very own home. We don't have any brooms in my house. We literally have our own Heppa vac pack. But in regards to the 3-quart, although it is smaller, it is lighter in weight, and it's easier to maneuver, I don't like the fact that the interior bags that have to get exchanged out often are so tiny. And the reason behind that is because the vacuum bag has less space for dirt and debris. So as you can imagine, if you do get the 3-quart vac pack, you are going to be purchasing the vacuum bags themselves more often or more frequently than you would the 6-quart bags, as they are double in size. 6-quart, the one that's right in the middle, is a perfect fit, whether you're a male or female. I really hope that this video was helpful for anyone that's thinking about making their first investment purchase into a Heppa vacuum. I can tell you from my own personal experience that using a Heppa vacuum is going to be a game changer within your cleaning business, specifically a Heppa backpack vacuum, because it can be so versatile and it can be used in so many ways at all different types of cleaning that you too are going to ditch the old brooms and dustpans. If you guys find my videos education and informational, be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button. That way you're updated every time I upload a new video.